Hi guys, welcome again to my channel. Thank you for watching, subscribing, sharing. Today I'll be taking you through doing a pineapple with other fruit juice, and I'll include in it carrots, cucumber, ginger, lemon. I normally peel my pine and I dice the middle part of it, and then the skin, I'll wash the skin and I'll boil it for, I would say, 15 to 20 minutes. I'll boil it on the stovetop, leave it to cool. Then I will start the process to blend the middle portion of it that we normally eat. So I normally mix that with my carrots, my cucumber, a little ginger. So I'll blend that portion until it's pureed. Once it's all blended, then I normally add the blended mixture with the boiled skin. I'll strain and then I'll sweeten to taste. You can use granulated sugar or brown sugar. And here you go, a glass of pineapple ready to serve. This can go with any meal or even just as a regular refreshment. For persons who are diabetic and opt not to use sugar, you can use any other alternative. Again, that's my pineapple fruit juice. Thank you again for watching. Thank you again for subscribing. Thank you again for sharing. Click that subscribe button if you're watching this video. Thank you again for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.